Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, July 28th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. All right, let's get started. Well, markets kicked off one of the busiest weeks of the earnings season on a cautious note. While the Dow managed to finish higher, technology stocks struggled, leaving the broader market with a mixed performance. The biggest drag came from the semiconductor sector. Nvidia dropped more than 4% as investors continued debating whether the massive spending on artificial intelligence is being financed in a sustainable way. At the same time, shares of ASML also came under pressure after reports that a Chinese state-backed company has started mass-producing an important piece of chip-making equipment. Now, there was some better news on the geopolitical front. Optimism grew after the United States and Iran maintained their pause in fighting, raising hopes that peace talks could move forward. That pushed oil prices sharply lower, with Brent crude falling below $90 a barrel after dropping more than 7%. Lower oil prices could also help ease inflation pressures. Most experts expect rates to remain unchanged, but markets are watching closely for any hints about what comes next. And of course, this is also one of the biggest weeks of earnings season. Microsoft, Meta, Apple, and Amazon are all reporting, and investors will be paying close attention to artificial intelligence spending, future investment plans, and whether those huge investments are finally starting to generate meaningful returns. So, it's shaping up to be another exciting day for the markets. All right, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stay in the loop. See you tomorrow morning.